Hello, welcome to a Fortress product feature. Today we're going to be talking about our Atom unit. One thing that I like about the Atom is the fact that it's a simple, compact unit to be able to get into the door, and it also has a low cost of sale. Outside of that, you have very high misalignment. So as you can see, if you have any door sag, it's not going to be a problem between the actuator and then also the style of the head. This Atom has about 8,000 newtons of holding force, so when compared to the other interlocks in our range, T-Guard is right about 2,500 and AmGuard is 10,000. So though this is just a compact interlock, it still has very strong holding force. We also offer it in a stainless steel hygienic version that has the food grade blue gaskets, so you would be safe to use it in food and beverage applications. Be sure to check out our video library for other Fortress product features.